So today in the office I have brand new print bed glass to fit. Also have a brand new machine, I don't know what to call it, but basically it's a fruit dryer. And it dries the filaments because some filaments, like nylon, absorb a lot of moisture. So you need to dry them out before printing with them. And I've got this brand new print filament called, I don't know what it's called, but oh yeah, it's a flexible filament, so you can make things like rubber tires or maybe even rubber hoses. So I'm going to have a little experiment with that as well, see how we get on with it. So let's get started with fitting the new glass to the printer. So one of the processes required for 3D printing with a 3D printer is bed leveling. So the glass sheet that I've just fitted needs to be completely bang on level. So in order to do that, there's 3 knobs on the bottom and you have to level it up to the print head and use a piece of paper and just make sure that the 3 points it detects are all the same gap between the print nozzle and the glass bed. And once it's leveled, that's it set. Usually it's fine for like 5 or 6 prints. Sometimes I'll get more, sometimes I'll get less. I still have absolutely no idea how this glass broke. There we go, print bed ready. Ready to print. Now I need to design something. The design is finished and it's now time to send it to the printer and see what it looks like. It's ready! Oh, it's stuck. It's completely stuck. Jesus! Stuck back there now. Can anybody tell what these are for? So here is what this part is for. Does it fit? Look at that! It fits perfectly! That looks so good. Now it looks like a finished product. The next thing I need to print is for this microphone, which is what I use for all my overseas phone calls. It's really convenient. I can sit here and I can still have my hands on the mouse and talk down the microphone. However, the problem is when I do that, it just falls down. And it normally sits under the desk there, so I need to make a little clip to hold that up like that. It's really annoying. It's really annoying how it falls down. That's the microphone clip designed and now ready to be printed. As to whether it will work or not, I have absolutely no idea, but I will find out in 1 hour and 2 minutes according to the printer, and you will find out in a few seconds. So let's get printing. Oh, that sounds very good. So the next thing that I've been meaning to design is a holder for this so I can mount it on the wall there next to all the other stuff. And this is a camera slider that I use to get some really cool shots. Oh, just right. It's great, yeah, fantastic thing. I want this to mount on the wall somewhere like that, ideally. Let's design something. So this print is going to take 5 hours and 57 minutes. And that's normally a lie, because usually it's like at least another half an hour more than that. So this is going to be an overnight print for sure. So I'm going to set the camera, do a time lapse, and I'll leave you with this print happening whilst I go to bed.
This is like a rubberized filament. Wasn't putting any of that. So today.